RPA is a form of business process automation that allows anyone to define a set of instructions. RPA is in fact a bot which mimics the human-computer interaction. RPA is not about losing the jobs. RPA is helping the human to accelerate their job. For example, if I have to enter 1000 entries, we can script RPA in such a way to enter one entry, and after that, in fraction of a second, it does all other entries. Let me show you how to get started. The first step will be to definitely learn what is RPA and what is not RPA. You are receiving an inquiry from the customer and you are submitting a quote to the customer. And this happens every day. You are receiving the email and then you are preparing the quote and sending to the customer. So this process can be automated by RPA. So RPA can receive the email. RPA can check that what is there in the email, content of email. Based on the inquiry, it can type the quotation and can send it to the customer. So this is where you can start with small. Don't implement everything together. Once this particular process is automated through the RPA, then move to the next step and then grow and do the pilot testing. There are various case studies available. There are various platforms available that can be adopted and implemented. Plan, do, check, act. All the times we develop the technology, we implement it and we test it, and then we improve it. When we talk about the RPA platforms, what type of RPA platforms can be used? Whether to develop our own platform or there are platforms available. I have been using various platforms. UiPath is, in my opinion, is the best platform right now available. Automation Anywhere is available, which can be used to start with. And then the Microsoft Power Automate. It is also freely available. You can use it. Then Blue Prism. And these are all commercial applications. But if you are concerned about having an open source or free application, then Open RPA by IIP is available. Then is the Robocorp RPA. Robocorp RPA is an open source robotic process automation platform that allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks. It is based on the Robot framework, a popular open source RPA framework. Robocorp RPA is easy to use and can be deployed on premises. So this was all about RPA. First of all, you need to define that what exactly you want to achieve with these technologies. After defining the success criteria, you can see some case studies and develop some use cases and implement the technology.